The trail early in the morning here. We're looking for a gibbon that some of the other folks have found. So we got one of our local guides up front. We're in the jungle in Borneo. It's the 3rd of May, 2023. And one man travels here, spanning the globe for your pleasure. And should you want to subscribe, be most appreciative. But we're in a deep jungle here. We have a boardwalk, which is nice. We have our leech pads on. Everybody's wearing leech protectors, so we don't like leeches. So there's that big one of those big trees. We're looking for the gibbon. We're trying to be quiet here. It's just like on the golf course. You have to whisper here to see. Gotta be quiet. Well, we just did a little hill climb on this jungle trail. It was fraught with roots and stuff, and luckily somebody put a rope up to hold on to, which we sorely needed. Here's the rest of the group back there. So, making my way up here. Didn't fall. That's always good. Alright. I better get out of the way here.
Something with the light is making it not work.
So the other people can catch up here. There we go. Alright. We're still going up. Up on the trail there. Gotta get back to watching where I walk. Alright.